back with a new video, and this is my first video of a restaurant food review. And today I'm going to review the chicken maximus pizza from Oven Story. So I ordered a chicken maximus pizza from Oven Story, and today we are going to review that pizza from Oven Story. So guys, here we have, this is the pizza that has been delivered. It is a medium-sized pizza, 11-inch medium-sized pizza. Basically, the medium-sized pizza that you get otherwise from other brands like Domino's, Pizza Hut are generally a 10-inch pizza. This is an 11-inch pizza, so an inch more is there in size here. So if you look at the box, there's no branding or anything on the box. Very simple packaging. It comes in a simple white pizza box. It would be great if they would have used branded box. It will help with marketing the pizza, but they have used simple white boxes here. So anyways, that's about the packaging. There's nothing much. There's a small sticky note here with the order number and the name and the flavor of the pizza, which is chicken maximus, 11-inch with chipotle sauce, chipotle cheese, which is smoky spicy taste. So that was the base cheese that I had selected, which is the chipotle cheese. And here is the chicken maximus. Let's go ahead and look at the product. Let's go ahead and open the box of the oven fresh chicken maximus with chipotle cheese sauce. And here it goes. So here is the pizza. This is the 11-inch pizza that we have here. And here it is. And what do we have here? We can see it doesn't have a very fat crust, and we can see a lot of chicken on it. So there is chicken meatball here, there's chicken meatball here, I can see chicken pieces here, there's sausage here, there's onion, and what else can we see? We can see chipotle sauce all over it. There's a base of cheese in it, and yeah, that's all. So let's go ahead and do the taste test for the chicken maximus pizza, chicken maximus with chipotle sauce. So I'll just take out a piece of pizza here, and let's go ahead and do the taste test. The pizza, overall the aroma is very nice. I can get a nice aroma of it, so I just can't wait to try it on right now. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of the chipotle cheese chicken maximus pizza from Oven Story. So let's go ahead. Here goes a taste test of chicken maximus pizza from Oven Story with chipotle cheese as the base sauce. So here we go. This is, you can see a lot of chicken on it. There's a lot of chicken. So here we go. Loads of flavor. There's a chipotle spicy and tangy sauce on it. Very cheesy, loaded with chicken in every bite. Nice and hot. Not a very big, thick base. It's nice, a medium-sized base. It isn't that very thick pan base. Not much of onion, but a lot of cheese and chicken and chipotle. A nice layer of chipotle sauce layered all over the pizza, which is giving it a nice and tangy, spicy taste, which I like. There's chicken sausage, like 3 types of chicken on it, and it has sprinkled herbs. There are sprinkled herbs on it already. Another thing is, along with the pizza, they didn't provide for the extra seasoning, which is something I was expecting. Okay, here there is extra seasoning inside. Okay, there is extra seasoning. I haven't seen inside the pack, so there is extra seasoning. There's oregano, there is chili flakes. So there is extra seasoning along with the Oven Story has provided extra seasoning if you want extra seasoning on it, because it is already seasoned with herbs and flakes, and it has a very nice taste to it. I really like the taste of it. It has a very standing out chipotle flavor with a chipotle sauce, and as the name suggests, chicken maximus, It is actually having a lot of chicken in it. Go and compare it with any other brands like Domino's or Pizza Hut or any of these popular brands, and this pizza will definitely stand out for you all. So yeah, I would rate the chicken maximus of 4 on 5 for its taste, and I'm sure to order again from Owen Story. From the current taste that I have enjoyed of chicken maximus, I'm sure to try the other variants of the pizzas as well. So guys, overall rating for the chicken maximus from Owen Story is a 4 on 5 from me, and it has been an amazing pizza. I really like the taste of it. I did taste it, and I can't wait to dig into the whole pizza right now. It's just so appealing and yummy. So guys, if y'all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing food reviews.